Hello, back to cleaning the carburetor again. Or finish up that tiller. I still didn't clean the shop. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of lazy yesterday. Didn't get around to it. I went ahead and cleaned it up some, but we still got more to go. For the gasket, I couldn't find it local. Hold on, let me put my hat back on. I couldn't find it local, so I'm just gonna make one. I got this part, so that's all I need. So we'll step outside the shed to spray this, guys. Carburetor cleaner gets a little strong inside the shed after a while. Already cleaned it once. I'm just making sure where I took that gasket off to move all the junk out of there. You know, just a little bit of, don't have to clean the dirt off the outside, but heck, why not? Oh, right in the eyes. Alright, let me go spray this off too. Let that evaporate some. Oh, it's a little warmer out here today. Look, 64 degrees. So I ain't freezing out here today like I was yesterday. Or the day before yesterday. Yesterday we went, I don't know where she's at, but somewhere in this backyard, oh, she's over there. Somewhere in the backyard there's a potbelly pig. We went to Temple to pick up a potbelly pig. And then when I got home, I didn't feel like doing anything. I think I got a little bit of food poisoning from the food we ate for lunch. Oh. Don't want to get any dirt back down in the carburetor. Boop. Alright, there's that. Never have any paper towels in here anymore. Well, I was hoping today I would go and pick up some bunch of auction finds. But I only won one little thing, one auction, and it wasn't that much, so nothing great enough to make a video about. But I'm sure I'll post when I get it on Instagram. It's just a bunch of glass insulators. I collect weird stuff sometimes. Also still working on the Farmall Cub. Because the hydraulics don't lift up enough. It might be just because of the leak, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm new to the whole Farmall Cub thing. I've only had it since late October, mid-October, I can't remember. And it being winter months, I really haven't got to use it until here recently. Now it's getting time to get ready for the garden. I mean, it's still getting the jobs done. These bags right here, guys, Dollar Tree, these snack bags, work great for part bags. That, and I save, I don't know if I have any here. I save the bags for when I buy boats from Tractor Supply. That's off a little, so I'm going to loosen that up. Oh. like a big old fire hill down there under my bench. If I had to pick one thing I hate about Texas, it'd be fire ants. I can deal with the heat. I like the heat. I can do more work in the heat than I can the cold. But the fire ants are just fish. As we get a little bit of rain and the sun hits, then fire ants are everywhere. You know, I've been working on small ends a long time and I still haven't got one of those ultrasonic cleaners. I want one really bad, but I don't know why I haven't ordered one yet. But that's done. Now I'm going to stop the video and move forward to the barn. Well, actually first I'm going to go in the house and make a gasket. If I can remember where I put my gasket material. And then to the barn, we'll continue the video and me putting it on. Hopefully getting it started. Alright, I got the carburetor ready to go back on. Gasket don't have to be pretty to work. It's my homemade gasket. But it should work. That gasket up there is probably going to most likely leak, so I'm going to have to order a new one. But hopefully I can get through until the plowing, or the tilling is done this weekend. So my mother can get her beets out. Kind of these in. Just in a little more, and then I'm gonna turn around and get this upper one in. I hope y'all can see good in this video. It's kind of dark in this barn. There's no electric in this barn. The electric's so bad I had to cut it off. Uh-oh. Alright, gotta get those carburetor bolts hooked back up, and then the linkage. Well, that's done. I'm gonna put some gas in and test it, and then I'll tighten it. Oh wait, nope. Better get this linkage done real quick. Oh, there it is. Where are you? Oh. Uh-oh. Hopefully don't have to take the carburetor back off. Also don't want to bend this rod either. Well, I think I'm going to just take this one screw off right here, over here on this side, and get it around it, and the tube, the breather tube. Now, and this spring. Wait. Oh, no. Alright, that should be good now. Just gotta put some gas in there and should be ready for test drive. Uh-oh. Don't know if there's gonna be enough to test it in this video. Yeah, I don't know if there's going to be enough to actually start it today, but we'll give it a try. If not, I'll show it running in the next video, maybe even some tilling. Yep. I don't believe there's going to be enough to get up in there with this. there's not going to be enough in this video, but got this far. I'll fill it up tomorrow. There's some small things I need to finish up on, and I'll do it off camera. And tomorrow, if everything goes right, there'll be a video of it tilling. Right now I don't have enough gas to get up through there. Used up all my gas in the farm off. So that's it for the day. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Also check me out at Instagram, Be Small Engines. Thanks for watching.